Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can change the undo send time or period for emails in your Gmail inbox. For example, if you would like to undo the most recent email sending, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can change that cancellation period really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your inbox on Gmail. And what you want to do, guys, is click on that gear icon in the top right corner to access your Gmail inbox settings by clicking on See All Settings here. And inside your settings, head over to the general section in the top left corner. And here below, you'll see a feature called Undo Send. So here you may, for example, adjust the cancellation period or length. It is usually on 5 seconds on default, but if you click on that arrow down icon, you will be given the opportunity to make that period longer, like, for example, increase it to 10, 20, or even 30 seconds. So if I choose, for example, 10 seconds and head back to my inbox, well, you will first have to save your changes, of course, by clicking on Save Changes here at the bottom. And once that's done, simply head back to your email inbox here on Gmail and delete an email like that by right-clicking on it, by clicking on Delete here. And after that, you will see that undo button bottom left corner. And now you'll have up to 10 seconds to undo the sending. And that's basically it, or the deletion. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.